The foundation process begins with a site inspection, where engineers assess the land and review construction plans to ensure safety and accuracy. Once the site is approved, workers mark the layout of the foundation using measuring tapes, chalk lines, and leveling tools for precision. Excavation is then carried out using heavy machinery to dig trenches for the foundation as per the marked layout. Next comes plain cement concrete work, where a lean concrete layer is poured to provide a level base for further construction. Steel reinforcement bars are placed inside the trench and tied with binding wire to add structural strength to the foundation. Wooden and steel shuttering is then installed around the reinforcement to hold the concrete in place during casting. With everything in position, concrete is poured into the formwork and compacted using vibrators to eliminate air gaps and ensure strength. After the concrete sets, shuttering is carefully removed to reveal the finished foundation structure. The foundation is then cured by regularly applying water to keep the surface moist and ensure proper hydration of the concrete. Backfilling is done around the foundation using soil and compacting tools to provide support and restore the ground level. The foundation is now complete and ready for the construction of the plinth beam and further structural work.